New discoveries in astronomy are constantly occurring, showing us the wondrous and vast universe that exists beyond our planet. Each discovery offers a unique perspective on the universe and helps us to better understand its complexities, and many of these recent findings have baffled and amazed scientists and astronomy enthusiasts alike. While some mysteries in the universe will never be solved, that doesn't mean we cannot find awe-inspiring new discoveries about space all the time. So today, here at Unexplained Mysteries, we'll be taking a look at 3 recent discoveries. V471 Towering Missing Star. In a recent development, it looks like there is a strange case of a missing star. Astronomers were shocked when they used a new SPHERE instrument to look for a star they predicted would be orbiting the stellar pair called V471 and found nothing. The star pair V471 is in the Taurus constellation and is thought to be about 600 million years old and 163 light-years away from Earth. Due to the star pairs orbiting each other every 12 hours, the pair's brightness as viewed from Earth often changes as they eclipse one another. A team of astronomers set out to measure the changes in brightness and found that the timings of the eclipse were not expected, yet easily explained by a potential brown dwarf star that orbits both stars. Its gravitational pull would then change the orbits of the stars. Despite expecting to see this brown dwarf when using the new SPHERE instrument that is on the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, the team saw something they were not expecting. Nothing. The technology certainly cannot be used as a reason for this lack of a discovery, as the SPHERE should have easily revealed the star. Images taken by the SPHERE are so accurate that they would have been able to reveal a brown dwarf star that is 70,000 times less bright than the central star. In this case, the brown dwarf was expected to be much brighter than that. This lack of finding may require scientists to rethink the many papers that suggest the existence of circumbinary objects. Sometimes a lack of discovery means more than a new exciting find. As put by astronomer Adam Hardy, the lead of the research team, this is how science works. Observations with new technology can either confirm or, as in this case, disprove earlier ideas. This is an excellent way to start the observational life of this amazing instrument. This is only the beginning of what is to come with this story, and many in the scientific community are eager to see what happens next. Scientists astonished as monster star mysteriously disappears. On top of realizing that the V471's brown star orbiting companion may never have existed, scientists are shocked to discover a monster star has disappeared without a trace. More than 70 million light-years away, a star in the Kinman dwarf galaxy can no longer be seen by scientists. They are now offering explanations as to what may have happened. First, scientists believe that the star may have decreased in brightness and is now being partially blocked by dust. The second explanation, and undoubtedly the more incredible one, is that the star collapsed into a black hole without ever exploding as a bright supernova. If the second explanation occurred, this would be the first ever detection of that kind of star's end, as stars ending are usually large spectacles that produce a bright supernova explosion. The missing star has never been seen by astronomers due to how far away it is, but they confirmed its existence by examining data that revealed its chemical signature. From 2001 to 2011, scientists were able to find evidence that this blue variable star was roughly 2.5 million times brighter than Earth's Sun. However, in 2019, when Andrew Allen and his team of colleagues were hoping to use the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope to investigate the star, its signature had disappeared. As Professor Jose Groh of Trinity College Dublin poignantly stated, we may have detected one of the most massive stars of the local universe going gently into the night. To attempt to explain this mystery, researchers looked back at their previous observations of the star and found that it had been showing outbursts between 2002 and 2009, when a tremendous amount of star material was released at a faster rate than expected. The researchers say that outbursts can happen in a star's old age and could explain why the star was so bright when it was being observed in the early years. Although this is a mystery that scientists were certainly not expecting, they are not giving up hope in the search to find an answer. Researchers have said that more studies are needed to understand what occurred, as whatever happened could change the current understanding of how massive stars end. Cosmic Flash GRB 150101b. A new study has suggested that cataclysmic mergers of dense cores of exploded stars called neutron stars might be a common occurrence. In October of 2017, a team of researchers announced that they had detected gravitational and light waves that resulted from a crash of two neutron stars. They dubbed this event GW170817. Neutron stars occur when a giant star is at the end of its life and a supernova explosion happens. While larger star remnants turn into black holes, other stars that started out smaller turn into neutron stars that contain more mass than the Sun into a sphere of just 12 miles across. Incredibly, the GW170817 event opened up the use of electromagnetic radiation and gravitational waves to observe the universe's phenomena. While GW170817 was the first neutron star merger ever documented, it appears that it's not the only occurrence of this event. In 2015, a burst of high-energy gamma rays 1.7 billion light-years away from Earth was detected by NASA's Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope. They dubbed this GRB, or Gamma Ray Burst 150101b. Astronomers now believe this event to be another case of a neutron star merger due to the many similarities with GW170817. For example, both events resulted in faint gamma ray bursts, bright blue visible light lasting several days, and protracted X-ray emissions. Additionally, both stars live in galaxies that lack apparent star-forming regions and have stars that are billions of years old. According to Jeffrey Ryan of the University of Maryland at College Park, we have a case of cosmic lookalikes. They look the same, act the same, and come from similar neighborhoods, so the simplest explanation is that they are from the same family of objects. According to scientists, this second discovery of a neutron star merger represents a class of erupting objects that flip on and off in X-rays and may actually be fairly common. Although scientists found many similarities between GW170817 and GRB 150101b, they did not observe gravitational waves from GRB 150101b. Without these gravitational waves, researchers cannot determine the size of GRB 150101b objects, so there is a possibility that the merger was between a neutron star and a black hole. If that's the case, then this finding would be the first ever made. This discovery is incredibly exciting for the scientific community as scientists hope to find more mergers and to learn about these mysterious cosmic events. In the world of astronomy, it seems every day is more exciting than the last. But what do you make of these discoveries? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments section below and help us by growing this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.